Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue about the project identification session, and we're going to talk about sources for project concepts or ideas today. So there are many sources which can arise the project concepts or ideas, like technicians, administrators, managers, and sectoral experts, then planners and policymakers, then entrepreneurs, also political leadership, donors and foreign missions, and also from the community. So let's see each of them. Technical administrators, managers, and sectoral experts of a particular sector. They are well aware of the issues, problems, opportunities, and the trends relevant to the sector. Because they are giving a strong position to conceive projects ideas to address the issues in their sector. However, they may probably require further assistance to quantify the benefits, develop the project strategies, etc. Especially sector projects are identified by the relevant ministries. At provincial level, provincial sector experts are expected to identify development projects to address provincial specific problems and cater to the provincial needs. And then planners and policymakers, those who are preparing national policy agenda and plans and implementation of national policies, they basically focus on four matters. One is macro issues at national level, then consider the drawbacks, third expected contributions from each sector, and also the intersectoral relationships. They use the approaches and models of other countries with certain modification to the local needs. After the development of the master plan with certain goals and objectives by the line ministries, National Planning Department, planning units of the respective ministries, and in the National Planning Department identify projects so as to achieve those preset goals and objectives. They will do this directly, or sometimes they hire experts and do through those experts. And then entrepreneurs. At present, the private sector is considered as the engine of the growth. Therefore, business community is in a position to influence the government as regards policy and development directions. They take the initiatives even to contribute to development projects in terms of new systems and mechanisms. So here certain entrepreneurs who have direct close contacts with the leading politicians identify projects for a purpose such as introducing new technology, providing services to a particular segments of the society. And then political leaderships. Political leaders in consultation with experts and planners determine development directions and develop the policy agenda. Actually, politicians play a major role at all levels. Their direct intervention is more apparent and provincial, district, and local authority levels. At national level, politicians identify projects and programs, also guided by the national and sectoral policies. And at provincial levels, considering the problems and opportunities for the social and economic development of the province, they do it. And also at district levels, especially regards to decentralized budgets, parliamentarians identify budgets to cater to the immediate development needs of the people. And also at local level, like Pradesh Sabha, they directly receiving the project ideas from people regarding their own health needs, and small scale projects are identified to be funded by any sources. And then donors and foreign missions. Donors can identify project concepts by in terms of their agendas, examining local problems, also learning from other countries. Normally, on their request or by their own study and examinations of contemporary issues prevailing in the country, they propose to the government various policy changes or mechanisms to overcome constraints and achieve national and subnational or sectoral long-term objectives. In most cases, they also contribute to by providing financial assistance and technical assistance, and or on the basis of grants and or concessionary loans. At times, they also impose certain conditions, such as using their consultation and as technical experts, or sometimes purchasing of vehicles, machinery, and equipments from a specified sources. Most of these donors have their own priority areas for a certain period, and therefore they are generally ready to offer their assistance in such areas during that period. When we work with them, it is also necessary to follow the guidelines of the donor agency for the documentation, financial accounting, and also cash reimbursements. Here, also it is important to define the role of foreign consultants very carefully, and especially because of their different socio-economic backgrounds, they sometimes do not identify the social and cultural needs of the people, and also the social cultural impacts of their actions and services. They are also sometimes responsible for unrealistic assumptions which contribute to the overall project logic, bringing negative consequences. Quite oftenly, negotiations for foreign funding are done by the external resources department with the participation of the line ministries. And also, when we identify project concepts or ideas, village development proposals, which is coming by the community, also is very important. So these are the factors or sources that we can get project concepts and ideas right from. Thank you so much, and let's meet again.